Hello everyone, my name is Beauty Okomina. I'm enrolled in the Community Health Methods this winter 2022. I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself. I am from Nigeria. I am married with two lovely daughters, earned a higher national diploma in art and design, a postgraduate diploma in education, and a certificate in community health planning and implementation. I have passion for dexterity and creativity. I love singing and listening to the hymns of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. My favorite hymn is 263, Go Forth with Faith. My favorite quote is from the teachings of the President of the Church, Abba J. Grant. That which we persist in doing becomes easy, not because the nature of work has changed, but our ability has increased. My public health experience, I'm so excited to be a part of public health program. I've come to realize through the program that the well-being of any population counts. 7 people in a population is great. I learned so much while earning my certificate in community health planning and implementation last semester. My career goal is to become a midwife. Use the acquired knowledge and skills to serve and give back to my community. What I will gain from this class? I'm going to gain a lot of knowledge and acquire skills. As I participate in this class, I hope to learn new skills that will enhance my knowledge this semester. I want to know more about how I can effectively and efficiently respond to the needs of people in my community. Know what they need in order to plan the right intervention that will help change or improve health behavior. What a blessing for me to be part of this wonderful program. I hope to meet with each and every one of you, learn from you as well as our wonderful instructor. Happy New Year to each and every one of us. Hope to see you soon. Bye for now.